Assalamu alaikum. At about what age did Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam receive his first revelation? 40 years old. Which angel brought the first message to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Jibreel alayhi salam. What was the first thing the angel Jibreel alayhi salam said to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Iqra, read. How did Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam respond when the angel first told him to read? He said, I cannot read. How many times did the angel praise Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he asked him to read? A. 3 times. According to the first revelation, Allah created man from what? A. From a clot. Where did Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam go right after he got the message from Jibreel alayhi salam? Home to his wife Khadija. What did Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam say to Khadija when he returned home shaking? A. Cover me. How did Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam feel after hearing the first ayat of the Qur'an? Very afraid and trembling. What is the name of the mountain where the Cave of Hira is located? Mountain An-Nur. How many verses were revealed in the first revelation? C. 5 ayat. How many months did he sallallahu alaihi wasallam experience true visions before the first revelation of the Qur'an? A. 6 months. On what day of the week did the first revelation take place? Monday, 21st Ramadan. When did the revelation of the Qur'an begin? Monday, 10 August 610. Which stage of revelation was the first of the 7 stages? The true visions.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for daily video seerah. Quranic Arabic. Like, share and hit the bell.